Assalamu alaikum dear friends and followers, welcome to another video of SolidWorks. In this video you will learn how to make a simple jewelry product in SolidWorks. At the end of this video I will tell you how you can make this product by using your laser cutting machine in acrylic material. So keep watching this video till end, and if you want to download this simple file I will leave the download link in the description of this video. So let's get started without wasting time. Okay, start from a new part, and then in the new part window start making the sketch from front plane, and then use a center point arc and draw it like this. Use smart dimensions and define this distance, and this distance should be 0.01 millimeters. And the diameter of this circle is 80 millimeter. So here is the radius, type here 40 millimeter radius. Now go to sheet metal tab here and then select base flange tab, and then this is the extrusion length, and it should be 20 millimeter, or it depends upon your design. And then here is the sheet metal parameters, so it determines what size of sheet you are going to use to make this jewelry. So you can reverse the direction, and I'm going to use 3 mm thick acrylic sheet, so leave it as it is and then press OK button. Now next step is that we have to unfold this bangle. So in the sheet metal tab here you will find unfold button. Click on the unfold button and then select this edge as a fixed entity or fixed face, and then click on collect all bends option and press OK button. So our product is now flattened. Now click on this face and then sketch on it. Press Ctrl+8 key from your keyboard for normal to view orientation, and then start making design by using sketch options. So first of all I'm going to use a circle, let's say one circle at this point, and then press escape key. Select the center point of this circle and this midpoint of this line and make their relation horizontal. Now define the distance from this line up to the circle, and it should be 15 millimeter. Define the diameter of the circle, and it is 3 mm. Now we have to draw a center point arc slot, so click on this arrow in front of slot button and then select center point arc slot, and then draw it like this. Now press escape key and define the distance. This distance should be 1.5 mm, and this radius should be 5 mm. And then define distance from this center point up to this center point 3 mm. Now we have to circular pattern this slot. So for that click on this arrow in front of linear sketch pattern and then select circular sketch pattern, and click on this box for pattern axis and then select this center point. Drag this point up to this center point. Type here the quantity of the slots, and it depends upon your design. For the instance I am going to select 5, and then press OK button. Now we have to draw a straight slot, one here and one straight slot here. Press escape key. Draw a center line started from this midpoint or this center point up to this center point. Press escape key. Now select this midpoint and this center point. For multiple selection we have to click and hold the control key. When you release the control key you will see these option bars. So make their relation horizontal. Now select this slot and this slot. Make the relation equal. After that, define this distance 1.5 mm, this length 5 mm, and press escape key. Now select this center point, this midpoint. Make the relation vertical. Select this center line and make its relation vertical. Now define the distance between this line up to this line 1.5 mm. So now I have done these things. Now go to feature and use extruded cut command. Cut it from throughout and then press OK button. Now select this cut extrude 1 and then click on this linear pattern button. Click on this box for the direction, select this line. Type here quantity and the distance. So distance is 15 mm and quantity for the quantity increase up to 16 and press OK button. Our product is ready for the laser cut. So select this face and make normal to. Click on this arrow in front of save button and then select save as. Define the save location and here in the save as type select DXF and then name your product like bangle and then select save. Press OK button and then select save. So before laser cutting this product, we should have to see how our products will look like. So for that, click on fold button here, and as you can see the fixed face or edge is pre-selected. Then click on collect all bends and press OK button. So this is how our product final product will looks like. So now let's go for the laser cutting. So this is my laser cutting software, CorelDRAW 11, and now first of all we have to import the file into this software. So here is the bangle file and import it. Select the parameters. So we have designed it in millimeters, so we have to use metric. Then press OK button. So I'm going to cut in vertical orientation, so select all and then type here 90 degree. Rearrange the position of the file and then cut it. So check the settings according to your laser cutting machine and then start. After removing the protective sheet, use heat gun and any round object, as I am using the steel glass as a mold, to bend the sheet. So our product is ready, and I hope you have enjoyed and learned from this video. My basic purpose of making this video is just to show you how you can use SolidWorks to design different kind of jewelry and how you can manufacture it by using your CNC laser cutting machines or any other CNC machine. I'm not expert in jewelry design, but I tried my best to show you how you can design jewelry in SolidWorks. So thanks for watching and sparing time, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos like this. And if you have any suggestion, please do comment below. I will appreciate your suggestions.